In the rainforests of Central and South America, the poison dart frog dazzles with vivid colors, a tiny amphibian no bigger than a thumbnail, yet armed with some of the most potent toxins in nature. The poison dart frog family is a dazzling group of amphibians, instantly recognizable by their vibrant colors and striking patterns. These tiny creatures, often no bigger than a paperclip, are found in the humid rainforests of Central and South America, where their beauty masks a deadly secret. Among all amphibians, they include some of the most poisonous animals on Earth. Their skin is laced with potent toxins, making them a subject of fascination and fear for scientists and explorers alike. The golden poison frog, Philobates terribilis, stands out as the deadliest of them all. This tiny frog carries enough venom to kill 10 grown men, making it one of the most toxic creatures on the planet. Its weapon is batrachotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system. Just a minuscule amount can shut down nerves, causing paralysis and ultimately death within minutes. There is no known antidote. This poison is purely defensive, deterring predators with a single touch. Even the boldest hunters quickly learn to avoid these frogs, recognizing their bright colors as a warning sign. Thanks to this chemical armor, the dart frog can roam boldly in broad daylight, unlike most frogs that must hide from danger. Their confidence is a rare trait among amphibians. Their toxicity even surpasses that of many venomous snakes and spiders, targeting sodium channels in nerve cells for rapid, irreversible effects. Few predators dare to test their luck. Remarkably, the frog is immune to its own poison, a marvel of coevolution. Scientists are still unraveling how these frogs evolved such resistance, a mystery that could one day help medicine. Instead of relying on speed or camouflage, the poison dart frog became a chemical fortress, advertising its danger to the world. This unique strategy allows them to thrive in the competitive, predator-rich environment of the rainforest, where only the most adaptable survive. Their skin is a living warning sign, fragile in size but wielding immense power. The dazzling colors are nature's way of saying, beware. The dart frog's toxicity is the cornerstone of its survival, shaping its behavior, appearance, and even its place in the ecosystem. In nature, size is no measure of power. The poison dart frog proves that sometimes the smallest creatures wield the deadliest weapons. The dart frog's vivid colors are impossible to miss, standing out like tiny jewels against the lush green backdrop of the rainforest. Unlike many creatures that blend in to avoid danger, these frogs do the opposite. Their colors are a warning, not camouflage. This phenomenon is called aposematism, nature's way of advertising danger, a visual signal that says, approach at your own risk. Predators quickly learn that bright colors often mean deadly consequences, and a single encounter can be enough to teach a lasting lesson. Sometimes it takes just one frog sacrifice to educate an entire generation of predators, ensuring the survival of countless others. These bold colors allow dart frogs to be active during the day, foraging for food and defending their territory in plain sight, without the need to hide. Their confidence comes from their potent toxicity, and their dazzling colors broadcast this message to all who might cross their path. The strawberry poison dart frog striking red and blue is a clear stay-away sign, instantly recognizable even to inexperienced predators. Each species' unique pattern and color combination is like a dialect in this visual language, helping predators remember which frogs to avoid. The more toxic the frog, the brighter and more elaborate its colors become, creating a spectrum of warning signals throughout the rainforest. This direct link between vibrancy and danger is key to their survival, shaping the evolution of both predator and prey. When we admire their beauty, we're witnessing evolutionary communication at its finest, a conversation written in color and pattern. Their colors are not for us. They're a vital survival tool, honed over millennia to keep these tiny amphibians safe in a world full of danger. In the rainforest, beauty is more than skin deep. It's a warning, a shield, and a testament to the power of natural selection. The term poison dart frog refers to a remarkably diverse family, over 170 species and counting, each with its own story to tell. These tiny amphibians are found throughout Central and South America, thriving in some of the world's most vibrant rainforests. Dendrobatidae frogs display a stunning range of colors, patterns, and sizes. Their skin shimmers with electric blues, fiery oranges, and neon greens, making them some of the most visually striking creatures on Earth. Some dart frogs make their homes on the damp forest floor, camouflaged among fallen leaves and moss, while others climb high into the rainforest canopy, living among the branches and epiphytes. Their reproductive strategies are just as varied. Some species carefully guard their eggs on leaves, while others transport their tiny tadpoles on their backs, ensuring their young reach safe pools of water. The green and black, blue and dying poison dart frogs each showcase unique evolutionary artistry, with every species adapting its own survival tactics and coloration to thrive in its environment. This incredible diversity allows dart frogs to specialize in different habitats and diets, reducing competition and enabling many species to coexist in the same rainforest. One species may prefer a certain insect or microhabitat, another something entirely different. This specialization helps maintain balance in the ecosystem. Such ecological specialization boosts both biodiversity and population density, making these rainforests some of the richest habitats on the planet. Exploring the world of dart frogs is like walking through a living art gallery, where every step reveals new colors and patterns. Each species is a unique masterpiece, a testament to the creativity of evolution, and a vivid reminder of the richness of their rainforest home. Their dazzling diversity underscores the urgent need for habitat conservation, so that these living jewels can continue to thrive for generations to come. Not all dart frogs are equally dangerous. Some are deadly, others only mildly toxic, and some not at all. Toxicity varies by species, location, age, and especially diet. A frog's poison depends on the insects it eats. Even within a species, toxicity can differ by region. Some non-toxic species mimic the colors of their poisonous cousins, a strategy called Batesian mimicry. Predators avoid them, unable to tell mimic from menace. This spectrum of toxicity makes dart frogs fascinating to study. Scientists analyze skin secretions to understand their chemical defenses. Bright colors usually mean danger, but the level isn't always clear. Dart frogs are a diverse group, from lethal to harmless, shaped by evolution's subtle hand. In biology, there are few absolutes. Dart frogs don't make their own poison, they get it from their diet. Eating toxic ants and mites, they sequester alkaloids in their skin as a defense. Their digestive system absorbs these chemicals and stores them in skin glands. This discovery changed our understanding. Frogs aren't born poisonous, they become so through their food. The specific toxins in a frog's skin reflect the local insect population. This explains why toxicity varies by region and why captive-bred frogs are harmless. Without rainforest insects, captive frogs retain their colors but lose their poison. The frog's survival depends on the health of its prey and habitat. It's a delicate chain, from tiny mite to formidable frog. Truly, you are what you eat. Indigenous peoples, like the Embera of Colombia, have long harnessed dart frog toxins for hunting. They carefully collect poison from frogs, especially philobate species, by rubbing darts on the frog's back. These poison-tipped blowgun darts can bring down large prey quickly and silently. Only a few species are toxic enough for this use. This practice gave the frogs their name and reflects a deep respect for their power. It's a unique bond, human ingenuity meeting animal biology. Captive-bred poison dart frogs are completely non-toxic. Their pet store diet lacks the alkaloids needed for poison production. This makes them safe for hobbyists and researchers to keep and study. Wild-caught frogs may retain toxins for months, so the pet trade relies on captive breeding. The frog's lethality is not intrinsic, it's borrowed from its environment. Remove the frog from the rainforest and you remove its poison. This highlights the profound influence of diet and habitat. The dart frog's power is a product of its ecosystem. Poison dart frogs inhabit the humid rainforests of Central and South America, from Nicaragua to the Amazon basin. Most species need high humidity to keep their skin moist and breathe. Some live on the forest floor, others in the canopy's bromeliads. Each species is finely tuned to a specific microhabitat. This specialization makes them vulnerable to habitat loss. Even small patches of destroyed rainforest can wipe out entire populations. Their world is beautiful, but fragile. Dart frogs are vital players in the rainforest ecosystem. As predators, they control insect populations, maintaining ecological balance. As prey, they drive the evolution of resistant predators like the fire-bellied snake. Their tadpoles and eggs feed aquatic insects and wasps. At every life stage, they contribute to the food web. Most importantly, they're indicator species, sensitive to environmental change. Healthy dart frog populations signal a thriving rainforest. Their decline warns of ecosystem trouble, small but essential. Dart frogs are popular pets, but keeping them is a serious responsibility. Always choose captive bred frogs to protect wild populations and avoid toxicity. They require high humidity, stable temperatures, and a bioactive vivarium. Owners must provide live food like fruit flies for over a decade. The pet trade can aid conservation but also fuels illegal poaching. Responsible ownership means education, commitment, and prioritizing conservation. These fragile jewels deserve respect and care. Their survival depends on our choices. The poison dart frog is a marvel of evolution, deadly, beautiful, and vital to its ecosystem. Its story is one of adaptation, interdependence, and warning. Their survival is tied to rainforest preservation. Deforestation and climate change threaten their future. Learn, support conservation, and protect biodiversity. By respecting wildlife, we safeguard our planet's health and beauty. Let their colors inspire us to action, a call to protect nature's wonders.